Today I have a leaky outdoor faucet, but I tried to get the parts for it, so I took this apart and couldn't find them. So I'm gonna have to pull this off, put on a thing, and then we do it the right way these days. This is the original. I got new rubbers for it because it was leaking, but I couldn't find a new handle. So I'm just gonna put a new one on, unfortunately. I cleared some space around it. Now we're gonna heat it up with the torch, pull it off, clean it up. Okay, I got it to move finally. Took a lot of heat. That took a lot more than I expected. Now we gotta clean this off so that we can fit a new fitting on. We get some sandpaper. Gotta let this cool down. It got pretty hot. The next step is to add one of these, because then you can put on whatever you want, whenever you want to put it on. So we're gonna clean that up, put this in, heat it up, bam, done. I have taken enough off there so that this will fit on there. So now I'm gonna prep this, clean that out, put it on. I scuffed up the inside and added some flux. Now we're gonna heat up this with this on there, and then just push in the solder. This is our new faucet. It's a 3/4 inch with a ball valve. It's gonna thread right on there, so I'm gonna put some Teflon tape on that and just give it a little twist up. Once you put the Teflon tape on, you're gonna wanna twist this right on there. We're gonna need to do one tight turn. And there we go. We're back to normal. All we gotta do is paint the house, touch that up, fill that in with some schmutz, and it'll be back to normal.